first quarter. Hiporlos versus Giwan championship game. 40 up division for the Fiesta of Giwan Eastern Samar, Santo Rosario 2025. Standing at the center, Doki of Giwan and Gutierrez of Hiporlos. Enriquez wearing number 20 of Giwan. Tumirillo number 13. Sayang, kung lumabas pa. First throw, Murillo, basket. No basket. Set by referee. Stepping on the line. Pangalawang tira. Short. Last touch Giwan. Kagaw ng Giwan. Tumirillo. Artales. Back to Murillo. Back to center. Wala. Rebound by Enriquez. May jump ball versus Palier of Hiporlos. Hiporlos ball. 3 points. Wala. 3 points again by Hiporlos. Wala pa rin. Last touch Hiporlos. Abulon. Tortales back to Abulon wearing number 11 of Giwan. To Enriquez. Tumira sa gitna. Wala. May foul si Doki. Agaw. Bulon. Tortales from the left. Basket. Butas din. Score 2-0 Giwan. Three points Malpal. To number 13 Hiporlos. Nice pass. Basket. Beautiful pass by Hiporlos. Abulon, number 11, the blogger. Rio Gomer, Abulon. To number 15, Hiporlos. Inikutan si Abulon. Basket. Artales. Bumra. Pinasa sa kalaban. Artales. Bitawan ang bola. Last touch Hiporlos. 20 second shot clock. Enriquez sa ilalim. Yes. Bangga. Score 4 pareho. Three points na naman. Wala. Rebound by Doki to Murillo. To Abulon, the point guard of Giwan. Sunny Murillo to Enriquez under the basket. Yes, beautiful pass by Murillo. Stepping on the line by Abulon. Left-handed shot, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Doki. Torrio. Martales. Wala. Number 15. Toiko. Number 13. 3 points. Yes. Finally. 3 points by number 13 of Hiporlos. Shooting control size. Agaw. Wala. Marquez. Ng Magaw. To Artales. Wala. Enriquez. May basket. Foul counted. Man. In one play. Bonus free throw. Yes, complete the 3 points play. Pausa. Wala. May foul. Si Abulon. Substitution. Kadayong in. Duki out. Labrage, number 10 na Biporlos, dumidiskarte. Pinto shot, Valier, number 22. To number 16, pull up, wala. Rebound by Kadayong, to Merelio. Kadayong. Bumumba sa gitna. Yes. Reklamo pa. May foul daw. Three points, wala. Yes, recover by number 16 from the right. Porto. Abulon to Kadayong. Last touch for loss. Substitution. Sabido in. Merelio out. 10-second shot clock. Andarino wearing number 45, tumira ng 3, kapos. Loyola Hiporlos wearing number 91, dumidiskarte. Ang ganda ng pasa, naiwan si Cablaw, si Marquez. Andarino to Cablaw. Sana wala. Dumantay Cablaw. To Andarino, nagmamadali. To Kadayong. Effect. Yes. Porto. Time out. Hiporlos.
1 minute and 58 seconds.
Score.
Running score.
13-11.
Giwan. 13. Hiporlos.
In favor of Giwan. 1 minute and 28 seconds. First quarter. Back to the ball game. Marquez to Andarino. Traveling. Technical by Cordero. Umulhag. Technical free throw. Hiporlos. Yes, basket. Ball position. Hiporlos. Hiporlos ball. Last 42 seconds. Score 13-14. Giwan. Last 42 seconds. First quarter. Cordero. Pinasa sa labas. Last 30 seconds. Smash. Alusot. Pero may foul lang Hiporlos. Time out Giwan.
21.5.
Last 21 seconds, first quarter. Score 13-14.
14, Porlos.
In favor of Hiporlos.
2-1,
Back to the ball game. Inbound by Sabido. Cordero. Last 19 seconds. Andarino. 15. To Cordero. Kadayong. Yes. May kasama pang foul. Bonus free throw. Tapos air ball. Wala na Hiporlos. Last 9 seconds. Iko, number 13. That's the end of the ball. First quarter. That's the end of first quarter. Score 15-14 in favor of Giwan. That's the end of first quarter.